How to track order on DHgate. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can track your order on DHgate. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Now, like any other shipment apps or shipment websites, the process for DHgate to track your order is same. All you have to do is you'll have to open up your website, your browser, and head into the official DHgate website. Here you can type in dhgate.com or www.dhgate.com and you'll be headed into the official website here. And once what you want to do is you want to log into your account. Now in my case, I'm already logged in or signed into my account. So to track your order, if you have any order to be tracked, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the top right corner beside the cart icon. There you can see the little profile icon. Simply tap on it and there you'll get various options. Now you can see the very first option, my orders. Simply tap on my orders option and here you'll be able to see your orders details. Here you can see all: awaiting payment, social, saving, awaiting shipment, awaiting confirm, awaiting review, return, refund, and such. Now if you want to track your order, you can simply head into this option, my orders, and if you can simply tap on all and there you'll be able to see the status of your order. So this way you can track your order on DHgate. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.